Okay, you guys, let's do the secret math of Pokemon Go. Just to show you guys how random I'm going to do this and it's going to work. I'm going to use this Pokemon that I just caught. Okay, this is crazy stuff, you guys. Crazy math stuff. So it's a Porygon. And the CP is 1374. Now let's do the appraisal. So the attack is a 12. The defense is a 4. And the stamina is 10. Because each one of the little sections equals 5. Each of the 3 sections. So you kind of got to estimate. Alright, now we're going to look up the base stats for Porygon Pokemon Go here. Pokemon Go Hub. Yes, that's what I meant. Okay, so the attack is 153, the defense is 136, and the stamina is 163. Alright. Now, so that was the wrong stuff. So we're gonna add these two together, we're gonna add those two together, we're gonna add those two together. Straight across, okay? So we got what okay, so that's 165. And then we're going to do the defense. We're adding the defense now. 4 plus 136. 140, okay. And then 10 plus 163, 173, okay. And now, I'm back over here. So we added them straight across, and they equal that. So now we're going to get the square root of this number and the square root of this number. The attack we're going to leave alone. 11.83. Okay. $13.15. Okay, so now we're going to look at the cost of the level to power it up once for Stardust. Alright. So to power it up once, it would cost 5,000. To power it up twice, it would cost another 5,000. To power it up 3 times, it changes from costing 5,000 to 6,000. So based off of that, when we look up the CP multiplier, or the cost per level up Stardust chart, you can look this up on GamePress. And I was saying it cost 5,000, 5,000, and then it costed 6,000. So that tells me that the Pokemon is between here and here, so it's level 30. Alright, now that we have the level of the Pokemon, we're going to look at the CP multiplier, which is this number right here. And then we're just going to paste that here. And we're going to square it. And that equals 0.535. 0.535 38489. All right. Ignore that. Okay. So let me move this over. We didn't have to find the square root of 165. So what we have is 165 times, because now we're going to multiply by the 11.83 times 13 times whatever 13.15 times that 0.5353849 that we just got. So we can do that first. Okay. So 13.15 times 0.5353849. That equals 7.04033035. Okay, I just wrote that down right here. So now we're going to multiply that by 11.83 and that by, we're going to go this way. So 165 times 11.83 times 7.0403 113,035. Now we're going to divide this by 10. And what do we get? When you round it, well, you don't have to round it, but we get 1374. And where do we know that number from? See, we got this number and divided it by 10. That was the last step. And we got 1374. And where is 1374 from? It's the CP of the Pokemon. Crazy. We ended up right at the beginning. Why would you need to know this? I don't know. I don't know. But that's how the Pokemon math works. Is that crazy or what? I feel like I should have written this like way more neater. But yeah. Another true fact, if you take the attack and defense and the stamina numbers, let's see what we had over there. It was 12, 6, what was it? 12, 4, and 10. Okay. You get 12, 4, and 10. Add them all together. Divided by 45. And that equals your IV percentage. So this Pokemon is a 57% IV. Let's check that with the Pokie Genie. All right, there you go. The IV is 58%. It was just rounded up. But basically what this proves is you can get the Pokemon CP by just knowing what Pokemon it is, the species of it. In this case, it was Porygon, because species base stats are all the same for all the same species. So all Porygon's base stats will be the base stats that we looked up for it. And another thing is, so we can get the base stats and we do the appraisal, and based off of just those numbers and the cost to power it up with the Stardust, with this formula that we just used, we could figure out the Pokemon CP. So obviously that's information that we're given to automatically, but what do we use Pokie Genie for? We use it to get a Pokemon's IV. Well, we could get the Pokemon's IV ourselves if we just have a calculator. So it does, Pokie Genie does give us a lot of other information, but trust me, all the information on Pokie Genie is information that you can figure out yourself by just looking at the game and using a calculator. It's no different from using a calculator, really. And it just, makes it easier. I mean, you could learn that ice types are strong against dragon types by playing the game, but Pokie Genie will just tell you that. Anyways, that's enough math for today. Well, that's all I wanted to share with you guys in this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.